Hey, it's Ivrin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Look at my feet, they're so dry. Actually, they have cracked, but just tiny cracks, which I know it's as a result of dead skin. So, after scrubbing, exfoliating, and doing all that, this is the result, which I really love. Like, I can't imagine I was walking with my feet looking like this. The dead skin that I had to deal with, you can't even imagine. But I'm going to show you how I was able, or how I was managed to change that. But before that, shout out to Alex Dada and Steve William for always supporting my channel. Thank you so much, and all the other subscribers. I really appreciate. Now, the feet are cracked, so what I will need is warm water. I've added some milk because this is going to enhance in moisturizing of my feet and making it easy to remove the dead skin. I've added pink salt, then some shampoo, and then baking soda ash. That is what I'm going to use to soak my feet for like 10 to 15 minutes. Actually, I think I need 15 to 20 minutes because this time loud things are lows. So I've just added some flowers for the vibes and all that for the decoration. Yeah, you know. So at this moment, take a book, take some coffee, herbal tea if you have some, and just be sipping as we wait for the feet to soak. Now, the feet here, they are going to relax, the muscles are going to relax. At the same time, the dead skin that you have just seen on my heels is going to moisturize, not really moisturizes, to soften, and therefore scrubbing it becomes so easy. So I'm using a pedicure file. That is what I'm using to scrub off the dead skin. The whitish thing that you can see, that is the dead skin. I had a ton of it, like so much. Okay, according to Alex and Steve William, this is so satisfying. Like, they keep on asking me for this video. Alex, this video is for you. Like, look at that, just removing that dead skin. And yeah, I also think this is so satisfying to watch. Like, wait a minute. Yeah, I also love this for my feet because, hey, we were in the ghetto. Like, things were not adding up. I can't be walking with my heels while they're dry and cracked. And it was as a result of postponing my pedicure or my foot care for so long. So remove that dead skin. You can use this pedicure file, or if you don't have the pedicure file, you can use a pumice stone or anything that you have that can be able to get rid of that dead skin. Then after that, I'm going in with this, what will I call it? It has a pumice stone. It has a side for kind of a pedicure file, at the same time a blush, but I just thought it was so soft. Like, it was so soft to do the work, because the work that I needed to do on those feet, it didn't need something very soft. Like, I just felt that this was so soft, and I just used it to do the finishing and even to scrub on the upper part of my feet, because it's also needed to be taken care of, because the dead skin, oh my goodness. So if you have come this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You like, you share, you comment. Let me know in the comment section, for how long do you take to take care of your feet? Are your feet cracking like mine? Because I don't know if they need baby girl treatment, because tell me why 3 weeks in and now they start cracking, they start misbehaving. Anyway, this was a call for a very good foot care, which I did, and I'm really enjoying this. As I do this, I'm really happy that I'm pampering my feet. Yeah, so this is something that you can be able to do in the evening. Actually, I would really recommend you to do this in the evening, because after cleaning all these feet like this and then moisturizing the feet, you can just imagine then wearing your socks and going to those blankets. Girl, as you wake up in the morning, your feet are looking all dolled up, they're looking all good, smooth and pretty, and you can't wait to wear your open shoes. Then after that, I'm rinsing off and then now drying. I always dry in my in between the toes, because I want to get rid of any moisture that might be in between the toes, because I don't want any infection. And then after that, the best thing that we have been all waiting for is moisturizing. Yeah, like I really love this part. Yeah, I think this is my best part about doing foot care and pedicures at home. I get to massage my feet, and at this moment they're feeling so soft, like, yeah. So it feels so good. So use any moisturizer that you have. Yeah, if you're really dealing with cracked heels, like really the heels are so cracked and dry, you can use shea butter. It will really help. So I've used lanolin, then I've used ballet baby oil. That is what I've used to moisturize, and at this moment I'm really loving the results. If you are doing this pedicure with me, let me know in the comment section, do you really love the results that you have gotten? Because as for me, I'm satisfied. I'm happy that I did this. I'm feeling good, and my feet are all teased out. Like, what do you mean? Yeah, so I really loved this is the result. So bye until my next one. See you. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment.